Today we'll break down Fernando Sosa and Karen Forcano, Salsa social dancer. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Sosa starts with a swap, steps to the back, cross to the front, open, stepping in place instead of crossing to the back to position himself next to Karen. Then stepping on the line, stepping to the front, rotate to the right, in place, and then the half left turn. Stepping to the side, holding 6-7 to emphasize the turn. Then rotating to the left, stepping with the left foot for the beginning for the cross-body lead. Then stepping to the side, open, clearing the line, and changing places. Watch it again. Standard half right turn, and then a special half left turn connecting to the cross-body lead. Front, side, open, stepping in place on the line and forward. Now basic, but stepping to the front with the right so we can switch the hands, and then stepping to the back, front and half right turn, connecting to the cross-body lead offline. Tap, step to the side, clearing the line, cross to the front and stepping off the line. Watch it again and notice how he plays with the music. He holds on 2 and on 6. 1, 3, 5 and 7 offline, preparing himself for the right pass. Crossing to the back, front, side, and a hook turn, crossing to the front instead of crossing to the back. Then he continues the turn and goes back on the line. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.